The governors of 3 Northwest states, including Washington, are taking public health into their own hands. Today, Oregon, California, and Washington launched the West Coast Health Alliance, a response to what the tri-state governors call the politicalization of the CDC. The West Coast states will issue their own vaccine recommendation, saying this will protect people by science, not politics. The announcement coincided with a Spokane stop for Washington's new health secretary. KREM 2 Shannon Mowdy sat down with him one-on-one today.
At the helm only 2 months, Washington State Health Secretary Dennis Worsham admits it's a tumultuous time in public health.
The public health system has worked so well for so long, and this is definitely a disruptive.
He's talking about the shakeup of the CDC with the ousting of its director and advisory members and the walkout of several other top employees protesting policies from Secretary Robert Kennedy.
There is an injection of ideology that's becoming into play, and so that's why we're having to kind of build these shadow systems.
Referring to the West Coast Health Alliance, the governors of Washington, Oregon, and California behind the group say the CDC has become a political tool.
What does that mean for Washingtonians?
Yeah, COVID was hard, right? And became very politicized, and there was some erosion of trust. And it's really important for us to rebuild that trust.
Worsham says the alliance will rebuild trust by providing immunization recommendations from what it calls trusted medical organizations, like the American Academy of Pediatrics.
We'll make sure that we are aligning with the best science, the best policies that are available, and we will, in place, make guidance and recommendations.
Taking a role the CDC has long held. Worsham says the pandemic ushered in the start of public skepticism about vaccines. He says the alliance and public health leaders have to have tough conversations to rebuild that trust.
And to be able to really explain the whys behind the decisions we're making. Our role is to get the guidance out and then let people wrestle with what is the best decision for them and their family.
Shannon Mowdy, KREM 2 News.